Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off this sign or know how you can do that on your Google Chrome. So all you have to do, just go up here, you click on this sign here on app, then it's going to show for you list like this, and you click here on settings, then it's going to take you to next step, then you just click here on sync, and it's going to take you to next step. Here you go down, and you click here on Google activity controls, then it's going to take you to next step. Here you just go down, and you click here on say all activity controls here, then it's on you go down here and you click here on go to your Google account, then it's going to take you to next step here. So just switching to open video like this, you go up, you swipe right here, and you click here on people share and sharing in app here, then it's going to take you to next step here. You just go down, so then all you have to do now, so you just click here on business personalization, and you come here to business personalization. You will click here on this sign or this color, and like you see color it's gone, that's mean it's on off now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.